Hi there, it's Tristan Shiner from Manitoba Marketing here. I spoke with you just on the phone today about making this quick little video for you with some tips and tricks to increase your ranking on Google. And if you're looking to start upscaling here within the next few months, then just having a better presence on Google is going to be really beneficial for your guys' business. More people looking at your website, more people clicking your contact button and booking moving appointments with you. So I'll get right into it. I'm going to go over three things in the video. First is going to be content. So with content, Google likes a lot of words on websites, and the reason for that is because Google basically combs over your website looking for keywords to make you relevant for people's potential customers' generic search terms. So when a person does a generic search on Google, like Brandon Moving Company, the more keywords you have along those lines, the more likely Google is going to get you ranking for that keyword and get you to show up on uh, the higher rankings of that search. So the more words you have, the better. And pictures as well, you can save as keywords. You can actually, if I go in here and save this image, I won't actually save it, but I'll just show you what you've got it saved here as. It's just a bunch of numbers. So what you can do is you can actually optimize all the pictures on your websites to be buyer intent keywords, just to give you another extra boost of content. Now the second thing I'm going to look at is backlinks. This is a tool I use. It's called Ahrefs. I pay for it monthly just because it gives me everything I need to know about a website. Basically, I can look at all of the backbone values that a website has. And as we can see here, you've got 9 referring domains. So any other domain uh, that has mentioned your website, that has a link back to your website. And then those 9 domains are giving you 37 backlinks. So 37 links linking back to your website. If we flick over, I've got Two Small Men Moving Company. They're one of the top uh, ranked moving companies on Google. And while they are a nationwide company, I've still decided to include them just because then we can have an idea of what you need to beat them. So they've got 505 referring domains that are giving them a little bit over 4,100 backlinks. Now, the more the better is true with backlinks, but one very important thing to keep in mind is that you have to have relevant backlinks. You have to have backlinks that are relevant to your website and to the kind of business that you're in, because otherwise Google will see them as more spammy backlinks than anything, and the chances are they'll do more harm than good for your website. So you want good backlinks coming from good trusted domains that are relevant to your business. You can also get ones from like City of Brandon, Chamber of Commerce of Brandon. Any of those kind of backlinks are also very strong. A lot of those you do have to pay for, but they're going to do wonders for your website because they will get your website ranking in the organic rankings. So those are just the all of the websites that come up directly underneath the Google Map Hack, not including ads or anything, but just the organic websites that show up. Lastly, I'm going to take a look at your citations. So it's still just loading here. I'll give it a second. As we can see here, you've got 4 different citations. So we can go in and click on them. This is another tool I use. It's called Whitespark. It's not always 100% accurate. Chances are you might have more, but this is just what my tool shows. So we've got these four here. The more citations, the better for your website, because those are what helps you rank in the Google Map Pack. And the more citations you have, the higher that you'll rank. So we'll go in there, we'll get you a citation pack built with 100, 200, however many citations you want, so that when it comes to it and your competition starts looking at why they're not at the top of the Google Map Pack anymore, it's because you're 200 citations ahead of everybody, and chances are no one else is going to be able to catch up. So those are the three pretty easy things that I wanted to go over in this video with you. If you have any more questions, or if you have anything that you want to know about at all, please reach back out to me, and we can go from there. Thank you very much.